Okay, here we are. Again. Alright. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just configure my window capture right here. There you go. That easy. It was that easy. Okay. Okay, so what we're doing, excuse me, let me just adjust my chair a little bit. Actually, this is not even a live trading session. I'm just gonna go over the markets for the week of what we're looking for. And most likely the purpose of this is my own, how should I say, kind of like a diary for my own, to track down results which I'm having. Anyway, let's start at the beginning. Okay. Pound yen, very interesting. We had an inside bar. Actually, no. Let me just check again. Let me check again. Oh, there it is. So we had an inside bar on the 4 hour on the 18th of August. And so far, I think... Well, hold on. Hold your horses. Okay, we had some resistance up here in 163.40 area on the daily chart. I pretty much consider it bearish for now, which does not mean that you know, look at this. If we go to the weekly, this whole crazy stuff going on around here, like too much conflicting signals and candles. Still right now the daily looks more bearish to me. There has been a clear rejection up here, which I was trading. Actually, I traded this signal right here with a sell signal, and then we had an inside bar, and we had this candle right there rejecting price above, well, actually 162.63 ish, 65-ish area. Well, if we would have entered right here, stop loss over there, that would be a nice 1 to 2 risk reward, which it was. Actually, because I traded this one too. But for now, I don't really want to go down lower on this. I mean, to go lower time. We have some imbalance around this area right here. Price went down, got rejected, most likely because pound yen is going up. Anyway, it broke below this minor support area, which is somewhere around here right now. This is where price is hovering at this moment, and you know, it can break higher. It can break the high of this candle. Most likely this is gonna be a stop loss for me, because I have entered on this break because it was a significant, well, not a minor support zone. I did not wait for price to come back to around the 50% level. I entered at candle close with a 1 to 2 risk reward, and as you can see, it retraced back pretty much. So I'm in a slight drawdown on this trade. Still, it can go all the way down here, since, let me see, there could be, and that's a big if, there could be, or big could, a demand zone right down here. Maybe on the 2 hour. I'm not sure. But, or we can get a wick fill, you know, because wicks like this don't usually stay unfilled for too long. So I'm just gonna wait for it. I have a sell trade on this one right now in drawdown, so we'll see. Euro dollar, let's go to the daily. Not much to see here. There's a significant zone. I marked it. There's a very significant zone on the daily around 1.0160, 1.0170-ish area. Why I'm saying this? Because since July the 6th, look at price how many times reacted with this zone. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, several times. You know, this is kind of an interesting area for most likely for institutions. So I'm leaving that over there. We have the parity level 1.0 right here. Price broke below. Right now we're heavily, I mean, this is pretty much bearish, right? So on the 4 hour we can see nothing major. There was an inside the inside bar setup, right? I mean, no setup, inside bar here, broke below, got rejected. Who knows? I'm considering selling on a retracement, maybe in conjunction with the supply zone. I'm not sure. Nothing to do here, actually. Nothing to do. We're waiting for a retracement. Okay. Dollar yen. It's pretty high, I must say. Look at this. Strong impulse movement already happened. I like this word, impulse movement. So if this was a supply area, well, it smashed through it. I mean, it could be a W formation, see? And so now we do have a good chance that it could turn around, but I'm not sure. If we look at this one here, this candle, let's see, this. I just want to draw this inside bar setup right here. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna take this trade. It's a counter trade. I don't care. I'm just jumping in right now. How did I not see this? Booyah! I'm gonna jump in this one. I don't care. I don't really care. There. It's a counter trend move. Extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous. Only, I mean, reduce the risk size. If anyone wants to take it, you should do it with reduced risk. Why I'm saying this, it's not a perfect setup, but it could align with a supply zone from here, from this area. We have a nice inside bar. We have a bearish pin bar, which mitigated the high value of this candle. Didn't break through. We have imbalance right here. I mean, this area, we have some imbalance. So we have some room to fall back, you know. Price retraced 50% to this candle right here. I would not be surprised if this could just, you know, easily fall down to, let me see, fall down to, we have some support here. So yeah, this could be, this zone right here could be a clear indication that it can fall. Very dangerous move. If anyone wants to take it, do it with reduced lot size. And that's it. I took it. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Dangerous. Anyway. This is for dollar yen. If it goes, you know, I mean, it can easily form a higher high. We're still bullish on the weekly. Daily looks bullish as well. I think we have every bit of a chance that this one could just, you know, smash all the way up. Monthly, oh my god, everything is bullish. So right here, this is like, I might just gonna close it at 1-to-1 risk reward, you know, I don't care. Anyway, it's a counter trend trade, extremely dangerous. I did it with reduced lot size. Okay, fine. Let's go. Pound dollar. What's happening here? Pound dollar. Oh yeah. This was a zone. Let's just delete this. This was a zone, I think. Okay, so this one turned into resistance in sidebar here. Nothing to do, actually. We're bearish, broke below. Well, let me see. 1.1759. Close is 1.1760. Yeah, it didn't really broke below. I don't know. It's you can't do anything with this. You just can't. So for me, I'm just waiting for a pullback. Okay, Aussie dollar in sidebar here. I'm in the trade on this one. Why? Because look at the we're bearish on the monthly. We're definitely bearish on the weekly. Look at this candle. Previous weekly, it's a very strong indication that, you know, bears are stayed in control. Let's just say that. We have a pin bar. Bearish pin bar formed, a higher high, actually. And so far, this tiny little pin bar here, I like it. It's not an inside bar setup, but it's a nice one. You know, with a 1-to-2 risk reward. Actually, I think I traded this. With a 1-to-3 maybe? Let me see. Oh, it's still on because it's 1-to-3. So it didn't really go down. Anyway, there's a good trade setup right here. What I'm looking is that I'm looking for a price to fill this area right here. You know, and then, you know, whatever goes up, we have some room to fall here. You know, clean candle here. I'm really, even if it just spikes down and then goes back up, I don't care. I'm still in it. So anyway, euro pound, don't really like to trade this pair. Actually, I think I hate this pair. I think I'm not even gonna trade this anymore. Who knows? Anyway, we have an inside bars here. We have a resistance here. This bar broke out from this inside bar setup. So yeah, it looks bearish, but you know, I'm just not taking any trades here. So yeah, I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting. Not much to do. It's consolidating almost, like, okay. So let's just leave it at that. Bitcoin, nothing. Consolidating, nothing to do here. Gold almost made a nice setup here. I don't like this candle on the 4 hour. I don't like this one. So if this one would have been a much more perfect pin bar, I would have taken the short. Otherwise, I don't want to do that. And I don't know why I did not took this one. This one right here could have been a good one, actually. Let me just point it out. Inside bar, the bearish pin bar, failed to break, broke lower. Where was I when this happened? That was I should have taken this. I don't know why I didn't take it. I don't know. I wasn't on my computer. There's so many opportunities I miss out, actually. Anyway, US 30. This right here, I mean, in my opinion, this is gonna fall like a rock sooner or later. But because of this candle, I mean, this can be a wick fill maybe next week or 2 weeks. Still think because we're going into a recession, this is gonna fall. I was scared to take this trade because of this gap, but look at how much it has fallen. Not looking to do anything there. This trade, now this one I've lost. I was so sure about this and I entered early because I was afraid that this is not going to go back up. So I entered early on the open of the candle, was looking for a 1, 2, 3, closed some partials, but anyway, it turned back on me. So actually overall exited on a break even. But look at this. This was such a beautiful setup. If I go out to the daily, we can see an inside bar setup. It tried to broke out multiple times. If you go down to the 4 hour, see, it went back in, tried to do it again. Then I said, okay, it's gonna go down, which it did. But then I just couldn't catch it. So this is it. Anyway, I still think it's gonna go down. I'm just looking for opportunities to go short again. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Nothing to do here for now. Grab some liquidity, maybe it will fall now. Same on the German index. I was scared to trade this because of the gap. I wish I would have, but nothing. On the other hand, Aussie yen was interesting. We had multiple inside bars here. As you can see on the daily, we have multiple inside bar setups right here. We go down to the 4 hour. Hold on, let's go back. So this was on the 17th. Yeah, right here. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, price went down again. No clear entry, and then it broke out. Then it formed a support area right here. And right now it is struggling to break higher. Who knows why? I don't know. I mean, it can easily go higher to this 95 psychological level. I always like these levels. Good targets, I think. For now, it seems like it's just it can do it. After yesterday, I would have said that okay, it has formed some kind of a minor support level, but I'm confused, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe I mean at this level, I might consider to go long to target these highs. you know, look at this candle from June, waiting to get filled. All right. Anyway, waiting for better setups. Actually, if we go from here, 34, almost. You know, if we would take it from here, it might be good enough for 1 to 2 risk reward. I don't really like to take trades below 1 to 2 risk rewards. Right. Anyway, let's see where it goes. These are my suggestions. Waiting for retracements, waiting for setups. So that's it. I will try to do a weekly analysis, maybe tomorrow again. I'm not sure. Anyway, this was just a spontaneous stream. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. All right.